Hello friends, welcome again in this video lecture. In last video lecture we will see the molecular symmetry. Okay, these molecular symmetry are nothing but plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry or center of symmetry, and the molecule which having molecular symmetry, maybe plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry or center of symmetry, those molecules are optically inactive because the main condition for optically activity is that, or optical isomer is that, the molecule are asymmetric in nature. The molecule which are symmetric in nature, these compounds are optically inactive, and the compound which are asymmetric in nature, these compounds are optically active compound. And when molecule having plane of symmetry or either axis of symmetry or center of symmetry, these molecules give the symmetric nature. That's why the molecule having any molecular symmetry, these molecules are optically inactive. So the molecule which are asymmetric in nature, these molecules are optically active. Okay, today we are going to see the stereogenic center of, okay, I will tell you later. Okay, stereogenic center means, I already said that the optical isomer or optically active are those compounds in which that compounds are asymmetric in nature, or in organic compound, asymmetric nature compounds are those compounds in which carbon having 4 different groups. Okay, for example, lactic acid. Okay. Now this is the structure of lactic acid. Okay, this is the lactic acid. Now see, in this the central carbon attached to the 4 different groups, so that this carbon is asymmetric in nature. Asymmetric compound. Okay, in this carbon having 4 different groups, so that this compound is asymmetric in nature. That's why it is optically active compound. So this is optically active compound, and the stereogenic center means what? कशाला म्हणणार आपण आता stereogenic center? So the optically active compound or asymmetric compound in which the carbon having 4 different groups, that central carbon is called as a stereogenic center, and the stereogenic center is indicated by the star. Okay, central carbon atom called as stereogenic center. Okay, so stereogenic center means what? Stereogenic center present in optically active compound, and optically active compounds are asymmetric in nature, and asymmetric nature compounds are those compounds in which carbon having 4 different groups, and that central carbons are indicated by the star, and that central carbon is called as stereogenic center. Now here only 1 carbon is present. Some compound having 1 carbon, or there are also different compound in which 2 or 3 stereogenic center may be present. Okay, we will see later. Now another example is, this is the main example, lactic acid, which is the optically active compound in which 1 stereogenic center is present. 1 stereogenic center means because there is only 1 carbon is present which is asymmetric in nature. That's why lactic acid having only 1 stereogenic center. Second example is 2-butanol. CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH2. Okay, now This is the 2-butanol. In this 2-butanol also only one carbon is present and the central carbon हे बघा आता central carbon ला परत 4 different group आठायचे आहे. हा CH3 एक वेगळा आहे, हायड्रोजन वेगळा आहे, हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप वेगळा आहे आणि CH2CH3 हा ग्रुप सुद्धा वेगळा आहे. So that this carbon is the stereogenic center because this compound in which carbon having 4 different groups, this compound is asymmetric in nature. That's why it is the optically active compound. Optically active compound. And optically active compound having stereogenic center. Okay. Now we will see the example in which compound having one stereogenic center. Or example in which compound having one stereogenic center. One stereogenic center. Okay, now examples. Tartaric acid. H COOH, again OH, again C, again COOH. Listen, sorry. This is not example of compound containing one stereogenic center. It is an example of compound containing two stereogenic center. Malic acid COOH, H, OH, CH2, COOH. Palic acid. Then amyl alcohol. Stereogenic center. Stereogenic center are present in asymmetric compound, and we already say that optically active compounds are mostly asymmetric compound in which carbon having 4 different groups, and that carbon is called as a stereogenic center. So first we will see the compound having one stereogenic center, mandelic acid. Okay. Now, compound having one stereogenic center. Now, example is first, we already see one example, that is lactic acid, but these are the another example in which one stereogenic center means only one carbon which is asymmetric in nature. Okay, malic acid. Now here 4 different groups are present: hydrogen, COH, OH, CO2, COH. So this is the stereogenic center, only one stereogenic center. Again, amyl alcohol. Here also hydrogen, C2H5, CH2OH, CH3. These groups are present. This is also the example of one stereogenic center. And the last one is mandelic acid, in which also one carbon is present, which is asymmetric in nature. This is also example of compound having one stereogenic center. Okay. Now we will see the compound in which 2 stereogenic centers are present. सिंपल लक्षात ठेवायचं की जे मोस्टली असिमेट्रिक कंपाऊंड आहेत की ज्याच्यामध्ये कार्बनला 4 डिफरंट ग्रुप अटॅच आहेत अशा कंपाऊंडला आपण काय म्हणणार स्टिरियोजेनिक सेंटर. ओके. सेकंड कंपाऊंड having 2 stereogenic center. Two stereogenic center. Okay. Example is 2,3-dichlorobutanol. 2,3-dichlorobutanol. Okay. Now listen. CH3 OH and okay. Now this is the 2,3-dichlorobutanol. Now here 2 carbons are present. This is the first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third carbon and this is the fourth carbon. In this 4 carbons are present, but we have to see or we have to check out only those carbon atoms which are asymmetric in nature and that carbon is called as a stereogenic center. Okay. आता इथे बघा हा CH3 आहे. CH3 stereogenic center होणार का नाही. हा एक ग्रुप आहे आणि तो ग्रुप या कार्बनला अटॅच आहे. तर इथला जो कार्बन आहे ठीक आहे मग आता त्याला किती ग्रुप अटॅच आहे हा CH3 एक झाला OH एक झाला Cl एक झाला आणि हा पूर्ण तिसरा चौथा ग्रुप जो आहे हा पहिला दुसरा तिसरा आणि हा टोटल चौथा ग्रुप झाला त्याच्यामुळे आपण याला काय म्हणणार स्टिरियोजेनिक सेंटर. सो दिस सेकंड नंबर कार्बन this second number carbon having 4 different group. First group, second group, third group and this total group this carbon is the fourth group. So this carbon is the stereogenic center. Now this third number carbon also having first group, second group, third group and this whole group is the fourth number group. So this carbon is also the stereogenic center. So the compound 2,3-dichlorobutanol having 2 stereogenic center because this compound is asymmetric in nature and that's why it is optically active compound. So this is the next point of this chapter, that is the stereogenic center, and the remaining example or remaining stereogenic center compound, how many different types of compound having how many stereogenic center, and again enantiomer, what are enantiomer, we will see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you so much for watching.